Hello everyone, today's video topic is pet animals in Italian. इटालियन ज़ुबान में पालतू जानवरों के नाम. Let's start the video. Let's start with the most common pet and it's dog. For dog, Italian word is cane. For dog, Italian word is cane. Cane. Next pet is also most favorite pet and it's cat. For cat, Italian sound is gatto. Gatto. Cat, gatto. Next is fish and Italian sound is pesce. Pesce. For fish, Italian word is pesce. For horse, Italian word is cavallo. Cavallo. Horse, Italian sound is cavallo. Next pet animal is cow and Italian word is mucca. For cow, Italian word is mucca. Mucca. Next is ox and Italian sound is bue. Bue. For ox, Italian sound is bue. And for bull, Italian word is toro. Toro. For bull, Italian sound is toro. And now we have sheep, yani bhed, and Italian word is pecora. Pecora. For sheep, Italian word is pecora. Next pet animal is goat, and for goat, Italian word is capra. Capra. Italian sound is capra. This pet is also most common and it's hen. For hen, Italian sound is gallina. Gallina. Hen, gallina. Next is rooster yani murga and Italian word is gallo. Gallo. Italian word is gallo. Rabbit, coniglio. For rabbit, Italian word is coniglio. G is silent. Coniglio. Next pet is parrot and for parrot, Italian sound is pappagallo. For parrot, Italian sound is pappagallo. Pappagallo. And the last word and last pet animal is pulcino. Pulcino meaning chick यानी चूज़ा. Pulcino. अगर आपको मेरी वीडियोस पसंद हैं, मेरी वीडियोस आपके लिए हेल्पफुल हैं तो मेरे चैनल को लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. शुक्रिया. चाओ.